everyone, and welcome again to the studio. I am excited. I just bought some extreme sheen products from Deco Art, and I have deep sapphire, berry, emerald, and coral, and they came in a 4-pack. So I'm going to try a dirty pour with just these colors, and we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. As you can see, I'm just using a very little bit of the paint. This is how much I'm using in the bottom of a cup before I add my flow mix. So I'll mix up my paints. The paints come out nice and medium bodied, so I will put probably 1/3 paint, 2/3 Floetrol, but what I like to do is mix it and look at it as it's getting mixed to know how much Floetrol to add a little bit at a time. You'll see at the bottom of my video a link to my other videos, and also you'll see my Floetrol mix that I'm using today. It is Floetrol glue and a little bit of water and a Liquitex Flow medium, just a little bit of that. So I've started adding my colors to my cup, and as you can see, just a little bit of the green, a little bit of our metallic coral, and a little bit more of this beautiful, beautiful berry color, and then most of my paint is going to be this deep sapphire. Now I have all of my paints mixed in my little cups. I love to buy these little cups from the dollar store. They have little lids that go with them. That way, if I have any leftover paint, I can put the lid on and save it for later. Less waste, of course. I sometimes buy these from Walmart. They're a little bit bigger. I think they're 5 ounces or 5.5 ounces. And they also have lids, and they're great for snacks if you have little kids, but they're perfect for painting. They don't seal as well, but they are still good. I'm going to start by priming my canvas with a pre-mixed white, no silicone in this. This is a pre-primed canvas, meaning it is already prepared by the manufacturer. I do want a base coat of white. I'm not using any silicone, so I'm not worried about the silicone touching the canvas and being rejected. The reason I want a base is because I'm going to, after I do the dirty pour, I'm going to use a blow dryer to create my design. So I'm going to put it on white, and I'm going to put it on a little bit thick. And actually it's coming out thick, so I'm going to mix it a little bit with my Floetrol. I'm going to use this other one that's already been mixed a little bit later. As you can see, a little more watery. This is beautiful for my backgrounds. And it just squirts out. It's a mayonnaise jar. Alright, I'm going to spread all of this out using my handy dandy putty knife. On top of them. Get rid of those bubbles. See those bubbles popping? That one popped all the way down through. There's one too. Now there's no silicone in any of my paint. There might be some cells because I do have a metallic paint that I'm using. All right, let's go. Let's see how this is going to be. Let's do blue. I don't even think I need that much blue, but that's blue. There's blue. Literally just going to pour right down in the middle of it. Just keep on doing that. Again. Let's put some more of that in there. That's a fun color, isn't it? I like that. Oh, green. What do I do with the green? Let's put some green kind of around the outside. Don't want any in the middle. Let's go with a little bit more white. Whoop, that might have been a lot. We'll pour that over first. All right, now the fun part begins. Next, I'm going to take my blow dryer. Now, you'll see that I have added this lovely little masking tape and funnel to my blow dryer. I'm going to make my designs just doing that. So let's go. Oh my, look at that. Add some more of my orange in there. Just a couple drizzles here and there, and then we'll blow over that. So I do want a little bit of that in there. Look at that. Fabulous. This is what the finished product looks like. I'm going to spread out some of the weight on the edges, and then when it's dry, I will let you see more clearly how this turned out. Thanks for watching.